What's up, ones and ones? Here we are once again for another director's overview. This time we'll be looking at reaching quota.
Anthony, we have moved from delivering 6 girls a month to 12. They don't care how it's done. They just want it done.
Masu, can I be totally honest with you?
I expect nothing less.
I expect nothing less. The great Ruth
I think we
O'Shea.
talk more than we can chew, Masu. 6 girls then was tricky, and right now 12 is a stretch.
So now I hear that in a bro.
Don't think, Anthony. Just do. There are many money-grabbing girls running around here. Just want to work for a living.
And for persons who have
Find
a problem, her name is
I'll try.
Sue.
There you go with your struggling words
M.A.
again, but I'll
Like
try.
Mama, S-U-E, Sue. Ma
I
Sue.
lost my husband and my life as I knew it to those home wreckers. This one targeted us just for our money. There's not a day go by that I'm not haunted by this period in my past. I will rid this island of every female that seeks to shape down men and their families for money by using the youth and sex.
Masu,
Pause for the cause. So, let me tell you this. There is good in the worst of us and bad in the best of us. Everybody have a story. Are we willing to listen? Not just hear it, but listen. So people hate Masu because she just come across as a woman who is trafficking females for money. But there's actually a story that goes with it. Now, when you are watching any series, one of the things that you will realize is that people who are considered main characters always have a backstory. If they're good, you will realize what kind of life them did live that makes them good. If them bad, what caused the trauma to have them behave this way. So clearly, Masu have an issue where a young girl obviously came into her life and mash up she and her husband. So to understand the character is to keep abreast of them backstory. So it gives perspective. See? Let's continue.
we have to be careful. We can't just be acting out of emotions. We could have easily have exposed ourselves.
Anthony, I talk bright.
Do what I tell you to do. And don't speak to me about emotions.
You should dismiss him now. Watch your style, yeah. Alright. Still a talk about the drone shots them here. Drone shots them give the thing a good look. On the ground now. Youngsters paradise.
Yo, repeat when you see the code.
Stone.
Man, them tell me say, oh, since me not push my in high school, them not give me my share.
Wait, what?
That them a tell me, I don't know them depend. And you don't show me a pray, so no Mali in high school you don't. Alright? So that me I deal with. But them not depend that.
Yeah, I see that.
Pause for the cause. Again, they relate to the storylines. When you realize what Chopper do, Chopper is seeking to divide and keep the division for theme benefit. Remember, Hittis told him he not supposed to sell the Mali in a school because that is what him did do, even though Hittis gave him the Mali for sell. But now him a tell Stoneface, say, Hittis tell him say him for push them all in a school about division. And this is something that happen a whole lot, not just in the inner cities of Jamaica, but just different sectors of society. So we see where two friends who are now divided, you have one brethren I try to keep them apart and possibly want to send them go to war.
That's how it is going with the thing now.
They easy back on the front, brother. I feel him boy, them must come all and pull me. Carry me go to him, you know.
Well, that's true.
I know them depend. Man, them a force me to sell it in a school. I say, this is the money there.
Jack.
Can't
Yo,
help it.
Chopper.
Dog, you know some have to deal with this different though. Yo,
Godfather, anything and anything now. You know we have to protect the youth.
That's a Godfather. Rise it up.
What you talk?
I know that. Yo, no, say it is. The man was like a brother to me though, dog. You see me? Him have all him have all him youth. I got school. But that the man you do. Yo, you hear me righteous? You go for them.
Rise
Go
up
for them.
everything, man, Stoneface.
Now, I'm telling you something. There is so much respect that I have for them general here. None of them are professional actors, but they are now on the way to become professional actors. And it is because of the discipline and the fact that they're willing to learn, because the emotions we may get out of them now and having them reach a level where them understand what the character's supposed to play, to give me that kind of intensity and show the rift between two youth where lived like brother before and show this great divide between them now, to the point where it look like it ever get bloody. You have to stay tuned and watch. You see what I'm going, you know?
We say Godfather. I'm not talking, I'm going to slaughter. You know.
See, I'm not talking, I'm on the slaughter. Easy butcher. See that youth there?
My husband took his life right in front of me because of one of these young gold diggers. They will know what it means to work. So have you started the process for this month's quota?
Yes, Monsu. I have 3 prospects so far.
Good. Well, we no longer
Pre
have
each
the young
character,
lady who runs the youth
follow them
program.
story.
That was how we got them so quickly. So, we need your lady to replace her.
Monsu, I can assure you, as soon as she feels better, she will be here.
Make her feel better.
Boop! Man getting marching orders. Make her feel better. Listen. We are bringing real life situations for it to be relatable. What I want my viewers and subscribers to do, and if I be absolutely honest, the director's overview is really based on the kind of comments I say. I decide to never engage my viewers and subscribers on a different level, because I'm seeing some very in-depth, intelligent comments being made, and this is why we want to have that kind of discussion here. So hit up the comments, tell me what you think about the scene, tell me what you think about how the characters are playing, and tell me what you think the legendary Masu, the legendary Ruth Oshing brought to the scenes that she's in. Thanks again for being here. Until next time, this is Xpressionz, aka the Dancehall Professor, saying, see you at the next Bartender.